Hi, I'm Danny with JLCooper at the NAB 2008 show, and I'm here to show you the Eclipse-CX Color Correction Controller. Transport, an array of transport keys, numeric keypad, some bank switches, and an array of switches which you can assign control to as well for further control of your workstation. Let's take an example of other keys that are allowed to be controlled include the M key, which allows you to adjust the speed of the tracker ball while you're using the controller without going to another menu. Without the speed on, notice the movement of the trackers. That's not a very good example. On the Eclipse-CX, you are able to quickly navigate through the rooms that you're going to control. Select the secondary room. All your rooms to edit your project. And new for the show for 2008, we introduced the Eclipse-MX, which is a companion controller for the Eclipse-CX, which allows you touch-sensitive motorized control over your audio applications, over your Mac Pro audio applications, including Soundtracks, Logic Pro, Final Cut Pro, and others. In the setup window, you can quickly make your adjustments before you begin your project by going to the user preferences and checking your joy ball sensitivity and encoder sensitivity. In this case, this one's set to 10. I'll keep it there. This can be adjusted higher or lower depending on the user's preference. Enter to make changes. And now we'll go back to the control surface to select our room and begin our color correction project. In the primary window, we have access to the shadow,